The 2022-2024 Nissan Kicks key fob uses a CR2025 3 lithium coin cell battery. This is the CR2025 3V lithium coin cell battery you'll need for replacement. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the fob without causing damage. A soft cloth can help protect the fob's surface. It's easy to buy a battery from stores like AutoZone or O'Reilly Auto Parts. Ensure you have these items before starting. First, ensure your vehicle is off. This prevents any accidental activation while working. Locate the notch on the side of the key fob. This is where you'll insert the pry tool. Gently use the pry tool to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to force it to avoid cracking the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting which side is up. This will help with proper installation of the new one. Install the new CR2025 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Press it firmly into place. Snap the fob back together and test the buttons to ensure functionality. Press lock, unlock, and panic buttons. If the fob doesn't work, consult your Nissan dealership for assistance.